name is Oda Ejini. I am a foreigner now currently living in Japan. I was really amazed by this country. Everything around is just beauty. Their trees, the sakura, their sculpture, their puppet, the art, everything, even their taste, the flowers. But besides all this beauty, there was something that I was more interesting about. It was the manga, the cartoon, the Japanese animation, the Djibouti, the Shueisha, the Jump comics. So I spent years gathering knowledge about all I can find about those art. I study them. I study the drawing. I study from the greatest. So now I will use all I have gathered so far to help the world know better about the Japanese art. To help you with your drawing, to help you with your character creation, to help you with your manga, to help you enjoying your background, to help you with everything, for all light to shine together.